President Donald Trump's controversial decision to ban transgender people from serving in the U.S. military due to unwanted expenditures and distractions has expectedly ruffled a lot of feathers in Hollywood. Leading the charge, George Takei minced no words, saying, "History shall record that you were not only the stupidest, most incompetent president ever, but also the cruelest and pettiest. With your ban on trans people from the military, you are on notice that you just pissed off the wrong community. You will regret it." Other celebrities like Andy Cohen posed the question to the commander-in-chief, "Are you trying to be an?" While Jesse Tyler Ferguson is criticizing Trump for hate and discrimination, even former Vice President Joe Biden disagrees with the ban, saying, "Every patriotic American who is qualified to serve in our military should be able to serve, full stop." According to UCLA School of Law's The Williams Institute, an estimated 150,000 transgender individuals have served in the U.S. Armed Forces. What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, make sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.